All right, we are on our binomial expansions here. So this one we're just cubing, so we really could multiply it out 3 times. But let's go ahead and go through our process here just to get an introduction. So when I'm doing the binomial expansion, I've got a couple different ways to do it. The way that I like to do it is using Pascal's triangle. So we're going to start with that. Sorry about that. So in Pascal's triangle, we'll go over here. So you're going to start with row 0, that's 1. And then we're going to take that and we're going to put 1s on the edges here. Okay, that's your row 1. Then you're going to take that, actually, you know what? Let's put it in the middle here. All right, so you got 1, then you've got 1, 1, and then this is going to expand. So now here's where the fun part starts. That's bad expansion. Okay, so you're going to have your 1s always on the side. Then you're going to take these guys, you're going to add those 2 together. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then you're going to expand that again. And you're going to have your 1s. And then you're going to add these 2 together. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then you're going to keep expanding. So you're going to have a 1 and a 1. And you're going to go 1 plus 3, and you're going to put that here. And then 3 plus 3, you're going to put that here. And 3 plus 1, you're going to put that here. And then you're going to keep going. So we'll do one more row here. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, and then these are the rows. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for the binomial expansion of 3rd degree here, we're going to use this row here. We're not going to use that 3, sorry, that's row 3, so it cuts off right there. 1, 3, 3, 1. All right, so we're going to start it that way, and then we're going to set this up. So let me clear. I'm not clearing. Hold on just a second. Let me clear the page. There. Oops. Don't want to do that. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so let's just, here we go. We'll take the eraser. We'll erase that. All right, now let's get some room. So we had 1, 3, 3, 1 was the row that we were using. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to set this up with each of these terms. Okay, so you're going to have your 1 from your first term here. Then you're going to have your first part of your binomial, your 3x squared, and your second part, your 4. Okay, we're just going to start it that way. We're going to have your 3, your 3x squared, and your 4. Notice I'm leaving a little tiny space there. Then your 3, your 3x squared, and your 4. Then your 1, your 3x squared, and your 4. Now remember, I'm getting those numbers in the front from Pascal's triangle. All right, now what I'm doing is my exponents. Okay, so this is to the 3rd degree. So when I put my exponents on each term here, it always has to add to 3. So you're going to start with the first term. You're going to go like this: 3, 2, 1, 0. And then you're going to go in the opposite direction. So you're going to go 3, 2, 1, 0. And then 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 3 is 3. So the exponent always has to add to this degree here. Okay, now you're set up to multiply. So here you have 1 times 3x squared cubed times 4 to the 0. So this is 1 times, this is 3 cubed, this is x to the 2 times 3, 6, and 4 to the 0 is 1. So this is, let's see, 27 x to the 6th. Next term, you've got 3 times, this is 3 squared, and x to the 2 times 2, 4, and 4 to the 1st. So this is 3 times 9 times x to the 4th times 4. So 3 times 9 times 4 gives us 108, and then we bring that x to the fourth down. Okay, next one you have, let's see, 3 times 3 to the first, x to the 2 times 1, x squared, and 4 squared. So 3 times x squared times 16. 3 times 16 gives us 144 x squared. Okay, and then the last term you have 1 times 3 to the 0, that's all 1. Okay, anything to the 0 power is 1, times 4 cubed. Okay, 4 cubed is 64, so 1 times 64, 64. Okay, then you have to put your signs in. This is plus. When it's plus, nothing to worry about. It's all positive. Okay, when we get to a negative one, we'll take a look at that. But this is your answer. So 27x to the 6th plus 108x to the 4th plus 144x squared plus 64.